Most people looking rich are actually broke. That $100,000 SUV financed at 7% interest. That boring dividend portfolio pays your rent forever. One is a trap, one is freedom. Let me explain. Rich means you make a lot of money, but you also spend a lot of money. I call this the doctor trap. You earn $300,000 a year, but your mortgage is $5,000. Car payments, another $2,000. Private school, country club, luxury vacations. Your monthly burn, $10,000. You're rich, but you're trapped. Miss one paycheck, you're in trouble. Wealthy is different. Wealthy means you don't need to work. Your assets pay for your life. Not your boss, not your clients. Your money works. You don't. Wealth isn't measured in dollars. It's measured in time. How many months can you survive without working? 6 months? You're getting there. Forever? You're wealthy. A teacher with $2 million invested, more wealthy than a CEO with a $50,000 monthly burn. Here's the math. Your life costs $5,000 a month. Your investments generate $5,001. Congratulations, you're wealthier than a millionaire because you're free. That millionaire with the mansion and the Lambo, he needs $50,000 a month to survive. He's still a slave. You're liberated. Wealth is income minus ego. So ask yourself this question. Are you building status or a legacy? Credit cards and leases kill wealth. Growth stocks and dividends build it. Comment asset if you're choosing wealth. Let's build freedom together.